Assalamualaikum dear students. Today we will discuss about year number 3 customizing our Word documents. So formatting text for today we will discuss formatting text feature, fonts, font style, text color, highlight text, alignment of text, change line spacing. So first of all we write a paragraph in MS Words documents and then apply this feature, formatting text feature. So write a paragraph and apply this feature. First feature is fonts. So select a paragraph or line number, text, all documents select. So we select only 4-5 lines means paragraph and apply the fonts, text fonts, text size. So click the home and this is the font feature. So this is the fonts, text fonts. Anyone choose in text fonts. Okay, different available. Okay, dear students. So choose last one. So this we choose this. Okay. So next font size. So apply font size 24, 26. Normally use 11 or 12. Okay, your choice for 72. Okay, more than 200, 400 font size. Write 200. Click this. Okay. So write 15. Okay, 15. Okay, dear students. So next feature is font style. So click this. There are 3 font style available: bold, italic, and underline. So select only first 2 lines and apply the first font style is bold, and second select the 3 lines and apply the italic, and next 3 lines apply the underline style. Click this. So last bar click and different lines are available. Your choice, you select the lines. So we will select these lines and different design are available and select this design or this and this. Also select this design. Okay. So we will not select. Okay, then this. Okay. Okay, dear students. So then control S back to paragraph. Okay, no problem. So this next feature is text color. Text color, select all text and apply text color. Click this and different styles designs are available. Text color. So write this. Okay, good. Select this. Text color change and then apply feature highlight text. It means important words in documents highlight. So click this feature highlight text. First select the text and then apply the text. Okay, this highlight and this the number and click this and apply this highlight text. Anywhere select the documents and then highlights Okay, dear students. So next feature is alignment of text and then change line space. So alignment of text, select a paragraph, Ctrl plus A, या press Enter key and mouse. Okay, then this choose, or Ctrl plus A, select this paragraph and apply the text alignment. In this bar, align left, like this paragraph, left side, then center, paragraph center, then right paragraph, and then justifies. Click this and bar click justify high, low, medium. So justify this paragraph, justify low says reduce, medium, so this, high, so this. Okay, so only choose the only justify. Okay, dear students, last is line spacing. Line spacing, this feature here, line spacing, line and paragraph spacing. So your documents, your choice, use the line space 2.5, 3.0, 1.5. Normally use 1.15, yeah, 1.5. So choose 3.0 and then this space. Okay, dear students. We apply all features, formatting text, font styles, and highlight text alignment, change line spacing. Okay, thank you, dear students. Subscribe my channel and good, dear students. Thank you. All the best, dear students.